Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Thank God.
That's good.
I understand you have a drip from a water heater I'm here to look at. Okay. Yep, let's see, is it hot water? Okay, it's not blazing hot. And that tank. Alright, so a piece of threaded rod there. And the drip. Alright, so I just grabbed the pressure gauge from the truck. We're gonna measure the water pressure in the home. I'm curious, because these tanks should last a lot more than a year and a half. Yeah, right around 60 PSI.
And you say that one is 40.
Well, it comes pre-charged with 40. And this is the ST-5. So, like I said, a lot of times, these plumbers will not read instructions. I like to call it R.T.F.M, read the factory manual. And believe it or not, that little tank does come with a piece of paper that tells you how to install it properly. So now I would love to install just an ST-12, the larger size. However, because that pipe is not extended out a little bit extra, like another inch or two, I can't accommodate a larger tank without doing modifications to that line. So we could roll the dice here. I could install a pre-charged 60 PSI expansion tank and take that one off and put that one on and have a nice day. Or I gotta shut down the water in the house anyway, but shut down the water in the house, extend that pipe, put an ST-12 in, which is a larger tank, which is pre-charged, and then I know for a fact that I won't be back here for several years. For that, you'll replace the water heater before you replace that tank.
What's the difference in price?
That's a good question. All right, I got my new Amtrol ST-12 domestic thermal expansion tank. We're going to remove the tank failure indicator. That covers up the Schrader core valve. This thing turns red when it's full, supposedly. Anyway, we have my Milwaukee inflator. We're going to hook that up to the tank. And you can see we're charged at 45.5 PSI. We're going to raise this to 60. Hopefully my battery will last. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And just for shits and giggles, 62. All right. I may need to replace my battery. We're at 46 PSI and slowly climbing. But my battery is definitely not going to make it. I can hear it dying as we speak. Yep, she died. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. All right, my pressure is set for 62 PSI. We're at 50, 51. And then we're going to wrap some Teflon tape on the threads. We're going to go inside the house, turn off the water, extend that pipe. And there we are. Perfect. 62 PSI. All right, I got the temperature and pressure safety valve opened. This opens at a pressure of 150 PSI or 210 degrees. Draining into that same bucket, which I emptied already. I got the water main off. And I'm gonna loosen up the split ring hanger here, and I'm gonna extend the pipe here a little bit. I wonder if I can get it on. Nah, there's not enough room there. Okay, let's stop the bucket. Oh man. hand tight. Bucket ready. So we're probably gonna get some water here. That's why they have handles on the buckets. It would be nice if I could just spin that on right there, won't it be? Let's see. Oh man. It's literally like a half an inch too short. Damn it. Who was I kidding? Who was I kidding? I knew that wasn't gonna work. Make this a little bit longer. Will fit right there. Perfect. Even with a little room to spare. Beautiful. All right, let's now pick up the safety valve. Of course, this one's a little bit longer, so we're not going to scrape the side of the tank with the drip leg. Excellent. All right. Got everything pressed in. Triple check our joints. Slowly filling up the domestic water line and the tank. Interesting. They never even put an isolation valve. Yep. Just when you thought you'd seen it all. Slowly opening the valve. Okay. Sweet. What did you expect? Even got our sticker on there. Water's back on. Let's run some faucets.